My people no be small thing o. They say that kasala don finally burst for inside Orsumoghu. A lot of things happen today for inside that place. They say that Ijele, una know am na, he be the king of the game and him be also Udele. No be small thing o. They say Ijele don carry Nigeria Army, DSS, security, police, everybody enter inside Orsumoghu. Say him go liberate that place. I go play the video so make you hear the whole thing wey don talk concerning that place as even dey there. But one video pop up today wey show that particular bulldozer wey dey carry go. As they take leave am run, later come hear say the later capture am back, say dem no born am, but nobody know the one wey be the truth. However, as you dey watch this video, abeg make you share and dey follow this page so that you no go miss any update of things wey dey happen. Very important. Now let us watch the video so we'll come back and continue.
You people know I told you it's not going to be easy for you people. We have been keeping quiet for long, and all this you people, I just saw your drone. You are flying drone over your mother head. No worry, you will collect. No run. Una go see una destruction how it go happen. All these buying wey una buy people for this also. Una go hear me from Paramosis. We are in Africa. Una forgo the difference between Paramosis and nonsense Ijele. Abamonu when it research, it go see overwhelming firepower. Don't worry, una go hear. We are please calling on the Anambra State Governor, Please, we need help from the Anambra side. Call whomever is in charge of the military base in Onitsha. Let them follow this up from Lille. Iseke. Asia people are not ready for this. They know what the jokes they are playing with these guys, all these criminals. Keep harboring them. But all these communities I just mentioned, Lille and Iseke, if they can push from back, then these fools will be outflanked by the right, outflanked by the left, outflanked from the back, and we will push from the front. Once we clear Badania and push them down into that valley, we will trap them there and destroy every single person there. We will not take surrender. We will not hear a beg, no amount of cry. You people have not shouted on social media yet, but don't worry. This shame, we will live with it for life. Come see how men are risking themselves to save our communities from the people that say they are fighting for freedom. You see all of you. Thunder will fire you people. We need to create a cauldron. With that cauldron, we squeeze them. Once it happens, Anambra will then be completely liberated. If they can, especially some of these equipments to clear their IEDs, good bulldozers, if the Anambra state government can give us 3 bulldozers or 4 bulldozers, Imo state government give us 4 bulldozers. So many bulldozer operators don't want to come to this side. But if you bring the government bulldozers, then it will be under our own control. We just get the operators, the army operators who can operate these things. You bring it, you push forward. You don't need to buy guns, bullets, and everything. All those ones have already been provided by the military. But these non-military, but still essential hardware, we need them. With this, we will make sure we clear this once and for all. Their IEDs are what's protecting them, and we are not going to lose soldiers carelessly over this. Please, Governor Hâppening, we need bulldozers. If you can rent from any of your friends, many of your friends have construction companies, let them lend us 2 bulldozers. You will hear news. Even you, Governor Hâppening, will be present in Osu today. I'm telling you, by this time tomorrow, you will be visiting Osu with media team. Just give us 4 bulldozers, 2 for him. If you can give it to Mr. Governor, even 2. Give it to us, sound bulldozers, we have the operators, we clear those landmines. Then let them face us. They are not capable of facing us. They know. They've just flown their drone ahead to see our readiness, and I hope they are seeing this in Paramosis. Make thunder fire them, make we show them. They are not ready for a fight. But we just need all these things. It may sound simple, but it's the biggest game changer in this field. So as it stands, if you can get them from now till Sunday, Odumeje will come and bury his parents here in Osu. Give us those bulldozers. Odumeje will come and bury his parents in Osu next week. This is what we are asking. Hopefully, our wishes will be granted, so we don't come back tomorrow and start wasting money all over again. Thank you.
Here is the Orsumoghu road. You can see it's been quite deserted a long time ago. Straight down there is Orsumoghu. If you are going towards Odumeje's house and they go to market, straight down there is straight to Orsumoghu. As you can see, so many buildings here. All the buildings, the roofs are all gone. They ripped them off and sold them as scraps. The homes you will see with roofs are mostly the ones the criminals are using for their operation. I'll be careful with this so I don't snap some of the forces. So you can see, like this home now, some of them may be using it as an observation point, but you can see everything there is gone. Those of you from Osu, you will know where I'm talking about. So we are here. We've breached their first line of defense. We've gotten to the MTN mast in Osu. The other team has taken over the Odumeje's house. Then the MTN mast is by this side. I can't show you for security purposes, but these guys, we know where they are. They are currently pinned down, and with the order of the army that's leading this job, this operation, we are hopefully going to take over that valley, and we are now stepping a foot back. We won't let them come back and re-establish themselves on any soil we've taken. So I will keep updating you when I'm around where there's network. You'll be seeing some of the videos. Once again, the operation is led by the 34 Artillery Battalion, Obinze, the garrison commander, and also the head of operation DSS Imo State Command. We also have the ever-present Tiger Base. I don't know the name of the officer or his rank, but they are all here. We also have the civil defense and, most importantly, the community vigilantes. Thank you all and stay tuned.
I pencil. I pencil. Imagine in a Hawaii in Hawaii. Now, worry here, now worry. I know money. What I go so Utubu. Okay, because we heard I was not in Umuno, and now you started coming out at me. Don't worry, I'm coming now. You know, but they hear me, ba? Are you hearing me? I'm coming. I still dey in state like this. But as your butus or how it they happen, even as I do this video to 10, he knows it they happen. Don't worry, your turn they come. Because you know, so I know them now. I don't run finish. That one day for also down that is here. Boy, don't worry. You look at me, warm up. If you boss is boss, I got them. It was Susi Joy, you can bring the bag. She joy. That did.
Go pay the house. I got tea. Can I feel live? Yeah, boy. Back of the Okuna. Yeah. How about go pay the house? So live. Live.
My people, no be small thing o. Na wetin dey go on for Orsumoghu. Now we say mo bring am come show una. Abeg, may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share this video for more updates.